There's just something about coconuts that makes us smile. Maybe it's because we associate them with those fancy tropical drinks that we have on vacation while sitting next to the pool. Or it could be the fond memories of digging into a decadent coconut cream pie or cake that our mom used to make for us for those special occasions. But for those of you who have never enjoyed coconut beyond that, you're missing out. So let me introduce you to coconut in a whole new way. All we do is bread a few thick-cut pork chops with some panko breadcrumbs mixed with shredded coconut and a few spices. After coating them with cooking spray, we bake them up while we throw together a fresh-tasting pineapple salsa that goes together in no time. I think we could serve this on bricks and it would taste good. Once the chops are cooked to at least medium and the breading begins to get crispy, it's done. Then we spoon our pineapple salsa over them and dig in. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? So what do you say you go online and get the recipe for our coconut-crusted pork chops with the pineapple salsa? 'Cause one bite is all it takes to have you smiling from ear to ear. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a coconutty fresh way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.